Do you want to know how to use Microsoft Designer? Then you are at the right place, as here is the beginner's guide to use Microsoft Designer. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Microsoft is betting big on AI. Starting with integrating Bing with ChatGPT, it has implemented AI capabilities in its products. Microsoft Designer is a new product from Microsoft with AI capabilities backed up by DALL-E to create images and design stunning images to get eyeballs on social media. Here is how to use Microsoft Designer and create stunning images. Let's get started. How do I access Microsoft Designer? Microsoft Designer is currently available as a web app only. To start using it, open a web browser on your PC and go to designer.microsoft.com. Once you are on the Microsoft Designer webpage, it will show a sign up option. You may skip it by clicking on Skip Sign In for now. Signing up saves the designs to the account and you can resume working on them anywhere with the connected Microsoft account. To sign up, click on Sign Up or Sign In. It will take you to the creative space of Microsoft Designer where you can start using its features and create designs. What can I do on Microsoft Designer? You can do these things on the Microsoft Designer. Generate images from your text description using the Image Creator feature. For this, you can check this guide. Create stickers for messaging apps with Sticker Creator. Create designs with your text description using Design Creator. Remove backgrounds from images or erase objects. Generate brand kit for your business or brand using Brand Kit Creator. Create albums from your memories using the Album Creator. Design images for your social media accounts and customize them. How to remove the background of an image of Microsoft Designer. It takes just a few clicks to remove the background of an image on Microsoft Designer. On the Microsoft Designer homepage, you will see a lot of features. Click on Try It to remove the background. Now upload the image you want to remove the background of by clicking on the Upload from this device. Or you can click on Replace and replace the image of your choice accordingly. You can also upload an image from your device's gallery. Click on Upload after you have selected the image. It will directly open the background removed image from what you have uploaded. If unsatisfied with the output, click Restore Original at the top of the image. Tweak a few settings and click on the Remove Background option that you see after restoring the original. Removed background on Microsoft Designer. After removing the background, Microsoft Designer will suggest a few ideas to make the image more attractive or use it to create designs in the Ideas panel. Click on any of them to begin and work on that idea. How to generate a brand kit on Microsoft Designer. One of the attractive features of Microsoft Designer is the ability to create a brand kit from scratch and use it in later designs without spending much time on creating it again. To generate a brand kit on Microsoft Designer, click Generate beside Brand Kit Creator on the home page. It will open an overlay to generate a brand kit. Enter your brand name and its description within 30 words in the text boxes under Generate a Brand Kit with AI and click on Generate. It will show you 3 kits based on your description beside it in a few seconds. Click on the one you like to customize it. You can customize the AI-generated brand kit with your logo, fonts, and color. To upload your logo, click on Upload your logo under the Logo tab. Similarly, use the Fonts and Colors tab to customize them. After customizing the brand kit, you may download the logo, brand card, or full brand kit onto your PC by clicking on the Download button. You can save the brand kit to your design account by clicking on Save Brand and using it in your designs. How to create social media posts on Microsoft Designer. Since Microsoft Designer is deemed to be a great alternative to Canva with AI features to generate designs for social media, let's see how we can create designs for social media. To get started, scroll down on the home page to find the designs for social media and more sections. You will see templates with preset sizes to suit various social media platforms. Choose a template by clicking on it. It will create a blank page in the size you have selected. You will find a lot of templates on the left side of the blank canvas. Go through them and click on any templates to apply them to the canvas. If you want to begin from scratch, click on My Media to upload your images and visuals. Use free images, graphics, and videos, or generate an image from your text description. You can also apply the brand kit you have already created by clicking on the Brand Kit button. Once you finish the images and templates, you can add text using the Text button. After creating the design, click on the Download button at the top right to save it for uploading on social media. If you want to generate captions and hashtags using AI, click on Try It in the Download options. After finalizing the design, you can reuse the same design for other social media platforms by clicking on the Resize button at the top bar that appears. You can select the sizes that appear and resize the design for every social media platform. The resize option includes posts, stories, ads, sponsored content, covers, etc. for all the major social media platforms. Create images and animations with text descriptions in Designer. Microsoft Designer lets you generate images as well as animations with the help of a simple text description. It comes with a dedicated image creator tool, which you can use to create your images just by describing them. Here is how. First, open designer.microsoft.com/image-creator in a web browser. In the text box, enter an appropriate description of the image you want to create. For example, a gorilla drinking coffee from the 1800s. Next, press the Generate button and let it create the image as per your description. When done, it will show you multiple image results. You can select the one you want and download it to your computer. It also allows you to edit the resulting image. Click the Edit Image button and then edit it in the dedicated editor window. You can apply basic editing such as adjusting brightness, contrast, sharpness, etc., adding filters to the image, cropping the image, and inserting text into the image. Once the image is edited, you can download it to your PC. Create an animated graphic in Designer. Besides static images, it also lets you generate animated graphics by giving a text description. For that, you will be required to use words like motion, animated design, animation, etc. in your description. For example, if you want to create an animated invitation for your birthday party, the description will be an animated invitation card for Komal's birthday on 29th July. Likewise, you can use a similar description for the same topic. It will create multiple animations based on your description and show you the results. You can set the animation size as landscape, portrait, or square as per your requirement. To save a generated animation, click the Download button in MP4 format. You can also edit a particular design by clicking the Customize Design button. Use Microsoft Designer prompts to generate images. Microsoft Designer provides some predefined prompts to edit to create your designs quickly. You can find a dedicated Create Your Images with Prompt Templates section with various graphics with different prompts. You can select the desired graphic and edit its prompt to create an entirely different one. Change the description as required and then press the Generate button. If you want to edit the whole prompt, click the Edit Entire Prompt button and then change the whole description accordingly. It will generate multiple designs corresponding to your description that you can download or edit. Upload your images to the Designer. You can also upload your images and Microsoft Designer will automatically create a design containing the photos. Here is how you can do that. First, open its Design Creator and press the Add Media button in the opened prompt. Now, you can upload the source image from your phone, device, or media library. After that, enter the image description in the text box and tap on the Generate button. It will now create multiple designs with your image. You can select the one you want to use and customize it according to your needs. Afterward, you can save the final version in a supported format. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.